Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about colors. Are you ready? Let's go! This is the color red. 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 This is the color orange. 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 This is the color yellow. 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 This is the color green. 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 This is the color blue. 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 This is the color purple. Purple. Purple.
Great job, friends! Don't forget to come back for more fun and learning. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun videos.